Opening scene, gentle, happy music plays. Lena, a brave and kind girl, stands alone on a sunny hilltop, looking thoughtfully at the horizon.
Narrator.
Once upon a time in the peaceful village of Harmony, there lived a wonderful girl named Lena. Lena was special. She had 7 shining traits that made her truly unique. These traits helped her make friends, solve problems, and keep the village safe from trouble. Let's join Lena on her exciting adventure to discover how her traits help her and her friends. Trait 1. Lena is emotionally intelligent. Visual. Lena sits under a big oak tree, listening carefully to her friend, Sam, who looks upset.
Narrator.
Lena understands how her friends feel. When Sam was sad because he lost his favorite toy, Lena listened and comforted him. She knew just the right words to help Sam feel better. Being emotionally intelligent means Lena can help her friends through happy and tough times.
Trait 2. Lena is independent, yet interdependent.
Visual. Lena builds a birdhouse alone, then shares it with her friends who add colorful paintings.
Narrator.
Lena loves doing things on her own, like building and painting. But she also knows the magic of working together. When Lena made a beautiful birdhouse, her friends joined in to decorate it. Being independent yet interdependent means Lena can shine alone and glow even brighter with friends. Trait 3. Lena is a deep thinker. Visual. Lena sits by the river, pondering over a map to find a hidden treasure. Her friends watch curiously.
Narrator.
Lena loves to think about big ideas and solve mysteries. When the village heard about a hidden treasure, Lena studied the map carefully. Her thoughtful plans helped her and her friends find the treasure safely. Being a deep thinker makes Lena a great problem solver. Trait 4. Lena respects others' independence. Visual. Lena's friend Mia waters her own garden while Lena tends to her books nearby.
Narrator.
Lena knows that everyone has their own dreams and hobbies. She lets Mia take care of her garden and helps Sam with his drawings. Respecting others' independence means Lena supports her friends without taking over. Trait 5. Lena is authentic and honest. Visual. Lena talks openly with her friends, sharing her true feelings about a game they played.
Narrator.
Lena is always herself and tells the truth kindly. When the friends had a disagreement about their game, Lena spoke honestly and helped everyone understand each other. Being authentic and honest builds trust and strong friendships. Trait 6. Lena is grounded in realism. Visual. Lena plans a picnic, making sure to bring enough food and blankets for everyone.
Narrator.
Lena loves dreams but stays practical too. She plans picnics carefully so everyone can enjoy without any worries. Being grounded in realism helps Lena make sure fun plans turn out great for everyone. Trait 7. Lena inspires others to grow. Visual. Lena encourages her friend Leo to try climbing a tree, cheering him on as he succeeds.
Narrator.
Lena inspires her friends to be their best. When Leo was scared to climb the big tree, Lena believed in him and cheered him on until he reached the top. Inspiring others to grow makes the whole village stronger and happier. Closing scene. Lena and her friends laugh and play together in the village square, the sun setting beautifully in the background.
Narrator.
And so, Lena's 7 shining traits made her a beloved friend and a hero in Harmony Village. She showed everyone that understanding feelings, being independent yet connected, thinking deeply, respecting others, being honest, staying practical, and inspiring growth can create a happy and united community.
Moral of the story.
Everyone has special qualities that can help make the world a better place. Like Lena, we can use our unique traits to care for our friends and create happiness around us.
Narrator.
The end. Remember, just like Lena, you have wonderful traits that make you special. Use them to spread kindness and joy every day.